This is a video about we're putting mints into a Coke bottle and we're going to explode it. Like I said in my last video, I would get a cheap 2-litre bottle, which is Coke, and I'm getting these mints. Oh, by the way, buy these are good stuff. And yeah, just gonna open the lid. So we've had a bit of difficulties because it started to fizz a bit. Wait, it's alright now. Fred Peter. Oh. Oh, that doesn't even fit in the bottle. Passes it. This technical. Oh, that's kind of failed. Oh well, we'll just explode it anyway. Right, eat it inside. Don't they?
No, right. Let me break it. If I maybe.
Nice. Well done, Peter! Just
Oh shit.
that's it stuck. Oh, right.
Break it.
Right, we're just gonna fizz this up now. We're just gonna I'll get this out of this. Right.
Try and get it in.
What? Right. Wait, it's breaking.
Yeah, I know what I was thinking.
Right, I needed something to push it down. Right. Ah! Nice, Peter! Right, just
Okay.
sorry, we can't do this. We're just gonna have to do this. Right, so we're gonna shake it up, and then we're going to explode it, like a lot of videos have. Right, so I'm gonna. There's my mints, which I have not used. You can buy in shops, pretty cheap. Right, so
Pretty cheap, 61p.
right, so
I'll move my Coke bottle out of the way. And that's just what I feel. Shaking it like crazy.
yeah, suck it. Right, and now I'm going to open it.
I would get up on your feet.
Right, that kind of worked.
Where's the mint?
What? Where's the mint?
I don't know, let's put another one in.
Right. Right. We're gonna put another mint. Which didn't really work the first time, but we're still gonna do it. We saw the stuff on the video. Right, put it in. Oh, it doesn't matter. That's it. Well, I'll just keep it like this. Right. I'll stamp it this time. In the roof. Darn. It's not easy, camera.
No.
I was gonna have to shake it again. Right. It's not working.
And
Right.
guys, this is where we live. We've got this big area.
Don't follow us and try to kill us. We are not that people. Don't worry. We're nice people. Right. Right, I needed my bottle. Oh,
Is
wait,
that-
there it is. No, Peter, no! It's not gonna work.
That's mine.
Peter, no, wait. Oh! Right. Right, we'll shake it again. This time we're gonna kind of chuck it. It's not working. Right, that first one was pretty awesome. Shake, 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 shake. No, no. Sorry. I can't feel. Right, now I'm just gonna chuck it. Right? Watch.
Fingers.
This. Drop it out. And I forgot where my. Oh, by the way, where's my mints? Oh wait, right, mints over there. Wait. And by the way, please, this is my video. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. My channel is called Roy Mackerly, and it's my name. Sorry, I didn't know that you could do your own name, but it's capital letter R.